Have you always thought about owning rental property but you just didn't know where to start? Now's your chance. Follow us as we rehab and rent this 4-family in South St. Louis. So the 4-family property we're going to feature in this video series is located in the northern side of Carondelet. It's on the west side of Highway 55 on a street called Eiler. Not exactly our perfect profile for a rental property, but the price was right, the timing was right, the amount of work that was necessary was right. The stars aligned and it made sense for us to jump into this project. This particular property was picked up from another agent who's in our office. He's very deeply involved in the foreclosure market, the rental market, the flip market, and it did not fit his perfect profile. He's streamlining his profile, and so he was willing to pass it on to another investor, and it just made sense. So it worked out well for everyone. The status of the property is that when we purchased the property, one unit was occupied by a month-to-month tenant at a very low rental rate. Weren't sure how she would work out, but they needed a body in there to have someone help keep an eye on the building so it wasn't just completely empty. As it turns out, she's been a pretty good tenant. She's very upstanding, and we might keep her on if she wants to stay on, if she can, afford to pay more rent in the units after we have them rehabbed. So that's worked out okay for us. The first unit that we rehabbed is the other downstairs unit. That one is finished. We have a tenant in there. She's on, I think, her second month. We did rent that for more than we had originally projected for these apartments, and we'll talk about finances in the next video. The third unit is an upstairs unit, and we are almost complete with that. We think probably another week or so, and we'll have that ready. And we're going to have video tours of these units so you can see that what we did to these units, based on the amount of work where they started, what we did, what was necessary to be able to achieve the rental rates that we wanted. And then the final unit, the contractor has been in and completed most of the work. We have to go in and put in cabinets, vanities, toilets, that sort of thing, and we're going to put in some vinyl plank flooring. So we'll have some more videos and photos of the in-progress work that's happening over there, as well as all the financials, and we'll answer your questions as they come in, and just take you along on the ride through the rehab of this property. So make sure you watch all the videos in this series. We're going to talk about the finances from the very beginning all the way till the end result. We're going to talk about rehabbing the property, finding the tenants, dealing with all the bits and pieces from bringing in utilities, working with contractors, and everything in between.